welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in CodeCombat.
And we're going to teach you Python.
And 9 gems is one of the lessons. Okay,
In
over
Backwoods
here,
Forest.
it says, collect all 9 gems in only 4 moves. 9 gems, all of these. It will be very hard. But let's see. Should we go this, then this? But that's already a lot of moves. I can't do it in 4 moves. How about go here?
That's X31. That's
30.
I think you should move closer to the gem. Yes.
32, 48. So right now, hero, move. What is it? Let's see again.
32,
48. 32, 48. Let's see how many gems I collect. Let's see. 1, 2.
We collected 2
gems. Let's stop it first. Now we should go to
here. Yes.
Right.
No, closer to the gem. 56 something.
50. But my plans was to go right here.
Okay.
So hero need to move. Hero move 70.
48.
Let's see.
Let's run it.
We go here. Now
We need to go
31 and 10. Let's see. About right here somewhere. 31.
Move. 31.
10. Let's run it. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 gems. There's 2 more. We go back here.
Yep. So we go 32, 48.
Okay.
Now 32. Move.
No.
Nope. Eep. Not this. Let's do it. 8.
Move.
32, 48.
32.
48.
Yes.
Let's see if I do it. Yeah. Cool.
It's getting the last gems.
It's so cool because it's like, let's go back to the beginning. Look, it's like over here. I didn't even really think it will work, but it actually worked. It was very hard to get the middle one. Now let's press submit. Skip. And I completed it. Continue. And thanks for watching.
Remember to
smash the like button and remember to subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.